Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an exciting video because we're going to do my top favorite lipstick colors for the fall. But before that, I'd like to talk to you guys about Dossier. As you guys know, I've been an ambassador for Dossier for a couple of months now. And so they've been sending me perfumes to try. And there has been quite a few favorites. So let's go ahead and get started. If you haven't heard, Dossier is a perfume company where they create designer-inspired perfumes with a fraction of the cost. So they are 100% vegan. They create high-quality perfumes minus the markups, minus the packaging, minus the marketing. And so what you get is just good quality perfumes that is a lot like those designer perfumes out there that are super expensive. So they sent me 2 designer-inspired perfumes of my choosing, and I gotta say this is kind of like a throwback. One of them is a throwback and the other is a new one to me. So I'm really excited. When you purchase a Dossier perfume, they come in this bottle. Each bottle is about $29 to $59 a bottle. There's that bottle. It's huge. It's a full-size 50 ml bottle. So that is huge, guys. And then you get a sample on the side. It's not always the case. Like sometimes you get a sample, sometimes you don't. But basically this allows you to try the perfume, see if you like it, and if you don't like it, you can just go ahead and return the whole bottle, keep this one for yourself, and exchange it for a new perfume that you'd like. So it's really risk-free guarantee, and that's what I love about Dossier. Their perfumes smell amazing. Of course, when you choose a perfume, it has to fit like your scent profile or the scents that you gravitate towards in order for you to enjoy them. So that's what I've been doing, and lately I've been loving a lot of the perfumes that I've gotten from Dossier. Today, the first perfume is inspired by Creed, which is a green Irish tweed eau de parfum. And I'll try to put a picture of it here somewhere of the Creed and also the actual full-size designer price. So I'm pretty sure Creed is pretty expensive, if not one of the most expensive perfumes. I like this also because you have a card inside the box that tells you about the perfume. So the top notes are verbena, green leaves, peppermint. Middle notes are orris, violet leaves, aquatic accord. Base notes are sandalwood, gray amber, and patchouli. So the base notes is usually what's gonna last throughout the day. And this has an 18% concentration. So the higher the concentration, the more long lasting it is. And I noticed that a lot of Dossier perfumes are so long lasting. And that's another plus that I love about their perfumes, because you want to be able to smell good throughout the day, right? Let me just show you the bottle. Super nice. Look at this bottle right here. And it's right there. I hope you can see it. And it clicks on and off easily. It's magnetized. I love the sleek, minimalistic packaging that it has. I mean, it's just in a glass bottle, super pretty. This one is inspired by Creed perfume, and based on the notes, I feel like it's gonna be super refreshing, just fresh, beachy scent. That's exactly how it is on my body. And again, perfumes can smell different across different persons. Now, the Creed is one of Jackie Natural's favorite perfume from Dossier, and she raved about this. She bought multiple bottles of this. I had to try it. I cannot finish my contract with Dossier without trying the Creed. I love it, guys. It is super fresh. And you know what I like about this? This is kind of like the first perfume that I feel like even a man will really like. So it's a very unisex perfume. It definitely has that fresh, beachy scent. Like the longer it stays on my skin, the more floral it gets, like a little bit sweeter, but definitely more fresh. Second perfume that I got from Dossier is not new to me. I actually put one of these in a giveaway and I couldn't stop thinking about it. So I knew I had to get me one. This is Chanel inspired perfume. This is called floral ilang ilang, and it's a Chanel inspired perfume, and it's by Chanel Gabrielle Eau de Parfum. So that's the perfume that they're trying to recreate, and I already know I love this. This is so good. It smells so amazing. It's just totally me, and I really want to try to compare it with the original perfume. But this one is just so fresh, but more on the floral side. So I think that's why I like it, because I do gravitate towards floral scents. Oh, it smells so good. The top notes are lily, grapefruit, blackberry. So it's a little bit more fruity. The middle notes are ilang ilang, tuberose, jasmine, and the base note is musk, orange blossom, and orris. It's really a mix of fruity and floral, and so it's not necessarily sweet, but it's just something that I could smell all throughout the day, and I won't get a headache, and I'm gonna just enjoy loving my scent throughout the day. So I really love this scent. Finally, I have my own bottle, so I'm really excited that I got this. So those are the two perfumes that I got this month from Dossier. Comment down below what you'd like me to try. Maybe I'll try some of their men's perfumes and see how that goes. Maybe have my husband try it out and see if he likes it. That is it for Dossier. If you want to know more information about Dossier, I have videos that are specifically dedicated to Dossier. I'll link them down below. If not, just comment down below if you have any questions. Also, if you guys are interested in purchasing from Dossier, I have a discount code in the description box below. So guys, the moment you've been waiting for, my favorite fall lipsticks. I don't know about you, but I can't get enough lipsticks. Like, I need a whole bunch of them. So we're gonna start from like lightest to darkest. And these are my fall/winter lipsticks that are my go-tos throughout the winter, cooler months. Like, I usually love a darker lip just because of the weather. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, that is my top 10 winter lipsticks. I know a lot of them are a little bit more vampy and more dark. I love them, especially this one, like very mysterious. Like it has that very plummy undertone that I love. So we're gonna end it with this. Comment down below your favorite lipstick that I tried on, or lipstick color that I tried on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. So I hope you guys check it out, join this beauty community, and with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!